up, guys? Welcome to today's fishing video. Today I am not doing a fishing video. I'm doing a unboxing video of some new baits I got from Bass Pro Shops. Woo! So first off, I'm gonna start with this one. This is a Bass Stopper. It's Catch More Bass. And it's this little 3-hook worm right here. And I need to unbox it. And it looks like this. This. Da, 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 da. And then I got these little jig heads right here. And then I got, for the jig heads, I got these little grubs. I got these, and these are gonna end up matching these better, but I also got the white. And then I also got this, this scent thing. It's crawfish and shad. I got it for like $8, which is a pretty good price considering it was 2 little scent thingies. And then I got these Slider Originals. They look like this. And then I also got some more stuff. I got this little Strike King crankbait right there. Kind of looks like a shad or something, so I could maybe use that shad scent on it. If I can get it open. Right there. Nice little shad bait right there.
Hello.
Or whatever it's supposed to be.
I just got to your house.
It's nice. It's nice. It's nice.
No, we're at your house now.
And then I got these Flickin' Shimmy Tournament Series worms right here. They're Watermelon Magic.
Oh, okay.
It's an 11 pack. Look like this.
Oh.
Oh, I didn't put that back. And then finally, of course, I got the white flukes. These flukes look really good at ponds, lakes, pretty much about anything. I love using these. There's this.
Mom's on her way home.
Okay, I love using these at this one pond that I go to, and I ran out of them. Now I have some more. So that's all of them. Now I'm gonna review a couple things. I'm gonna smell this disgusting little. So first, I'm gonna start out with the crawfish one. Oh wow, that's bad. Now I'm gonna do the shad. They actually kind of smell the same. Wait, no, this one, the shad's a little different. Then I'm gonna check out these jig heads too. Show you a close up. And I got both the grubs. The green and yellow ones I got match perfectly. I usually don't use grubs. I don't think I've actually ever used a grub, but I got them for like winter and cold days, stuff like that. And I think it just goes like that, honestly.
Do you have
Any candy? No. And then it just looks like that, I think. I might be wrong, but I don't think I am. Ow, ow. You could buy Texas rig, too. Or make it weedless or something. So that looks good. Now I'm going to try the white and see if that looks good. It'll still probably look good, but I don't think it can beat this because it just absolutely matches. Jig. Frogs, jigs. Da, da, da. Dancer. Uh-oh, messed up. Jeez, always. This is why I like Senkos. Get it? There we go. Oh god. The white actually looks pretty good too. Alright guys, so that's probably going to do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to be doing some more unboxing videos probably. And yeah, probably just going to do some more unboxing videos. But I'm going to have a video coming out this Sunday, probably at... It'll probably be up around 8 o'clock on Sunday, Eastern time. So, hope you enjoyed. Peace.